Hey, my Tea Party squad. I am Southern Tea Time and welcome to my tea party. Today is going to be a special video because I will be doing a product review. So thank you to the company Chalkola. That's the company that I will be reviewing in this video today for sending me some awesome items to review. Now, to be honest, I've never heard of this brand, but Chalkola, they make liquid chalk markers. So if you're tired of those old school dusty chalks, then you will enjoy these liquid chalk markers. So I'm going to be sharing with you the items that they sent to me, and they actually sent to me a set of 30 chalk markers. They're awesome. They have vibrant, bright colors, which I will share with you momentarily. But they sent me a set of 30, which I think is enough. I really thought they was going to send me a few, but I love the fact that I have a variety of colors to play around with and be creative with. Also in that box, you will also, they also had some of these fun little chalk-like labels. And there are about 8 different shapes on here. And so I will be using these throughout my craft room, just labeling some of my drawers and some of my craft supplies. And then last but not least, they not only sent me 30 markers, you guys, they also sent me a chalkboard, okay? So I cannot wait to share that with you. So make sure you stay tuned to see how I'll be using these items. And also I'll be sharing a coupon code, so you want to stay tuned for that. All right, my Tea Party squad, so let's get right into it. So first off, we are going to review these 30 chalk markers that was sent to me by Chalkola, and I cannot wait to share with you and show you some of the fun colors and also to show you how it works. So we're going to start with just the colors because that's just what I like to do before I actually open up any package. It's just kind of, review the box and all of that fun stuff. So of course, they're giving me a color guide to kind of tell me all the fun colors that are in here. And so let me know what colors stand out to you. What are some of your favorite colors that you see listed here? Let me know down in the comments because I would love to know and I would love to share this with Chalkola. So those are the fun colors here. One of the fun colors that stuck out to me was that grape jelly because I love purple, of course. And I think I want to play around with that color. So we're going to see if we can find that color and also play with that. All right, so we're back to the front. So on the next side, what I like to do is also try to see what it works best on. So before I actually open it up and kind of work with it and see what's going on, I like to see what it works best on so I can have everything at my grasp. So here it says that it works best on chalkboards, whiteboards, blackboards, windows, glass, ceramics, and other non-porous surfaces. So that is good to know. So let's go ahead and see these vibrant colors. Oh my gosh. Do y'all see that? Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh, these are so fun. So I already kind of have in mind some fun projects that I want to do and some events that I want to do that I am going to use this on. And also it's not only good for like special occasions, but also just fun activities that I could do here at home with the girls. So I cannot wait to share this with them. But I had to kind of do this in private because they would have been all over this box. Okay. So I think this is my favorite color that stuck out to me, which was that grape jelly. So we're going to start with that. So before I actually play with this, I like to look and see if this is really the color that I'm looking for, but I don't see a name on here as far as the exact color. So we're just going to go with this and just say that this is the grape jelly color that I'm looking for. But of course, I do like the thickness of the markers. Easy to grab. I think it'll be easier for like kids to grab and also to use. So let's go ahead and see if they have any other instructions. They do have some instructions on the marker itself, but we're going to go ahead. I think they have, yeah. So they have a quick start guide. So the first thing we have to do is shake well with cap on and upright. Okay, upright, and remove cap 30 seconds. Then we're going to press the tip to and fro multiple times to quickly get the ink flowing. Recap tightly after use and store in horizontal position for 1 to 3 minutes, and then write with your marker. Press down pin when you need extra ink. To wash off, you must use a wet cloth or Windex. Ooh, so we can use Windex. Okay, awesome. That is also good to know. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and shake up these markers, and you probably don't want to hear this noise. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then we're going to come back on and finish up and do some of the rest of the colors and play around with it. All right, so I went ahead and shook this up for about 30 seconds. And I believe I had to do this for all of the pens. So I'm just going to start with this one first. And then I'm just going to show you how it looks and everything. So right now the tip is white. So now we have to press the tip to and fro multiple times to quickly get the ink flowing. So all I'm using is a Happy Planner, Happy Notes page to do this because I just didn't want to do it on my desk. So, so right now I can kind of see some of the colors coming in. So we're going to continue to do that until we start seeing more of the colors coming in. And there it goes. So now you have color to your markers, and I just want to make sure that it's going throughout the pen before I actually start. And so I'm just going to kind of test it out just to write with it. I hope it doesn't bleed through on my desk. Oh, that's cool. It didn't even bleed through. Awesome. That is good to know. Thank you so much, Chalkola. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and get all the other colors prepped and get this started. And then I'm going to show you some fun, quick little DIYs, what you can use this on and what you can use it for. So let's go ahead and play around with some of these fun colors. So now what I want to do a fun little project, something that I like to just kind of do test runs on. And so I call this like my little test run glass because I do different projects with this. And as you can see, I already kind of did a vinyl stick on here for this glass, and I think this would be really cool. I'm thinking about doing girls' night, or maybe trying to do some fun activities for a girls' night out, or maybe a girls' night in. And how often do we put down our glasses and we are not sure if it was our glass? So one of the things that I played around with was this vinyl, but I thought how fun and cool would it be to also take these to girls' night, and all the ladies can pick their favorite colors and put their names in it and have it on their glass. So because it says that it works best on glass, that's what we're going to use for this video. So let's go ahead and check out some of these fun colors. So I know I don't have the best handwriting, but I still think this is something fun and cool to use just for any special occasion. Either it's a wedding, anniversary, girls' night, whatever, maybe your kids' sleepover. This would be something fun to use as an activity. So I love the fun colors. So I think I'm going to let this sit and dry. So I want to go ahead and test out one more thing before I move on to the next item that was sent to me by Chalkola. So I did test out another item in my craft area, and this was one of the reasons why I really want to test out this the markers from Chalkola. And so what I have here is one of my drawer compartments from my washi storage. That is a clear bin that comes in 3 drawers from Michaels. And I went ahead and, like, as I was playing around with the colors, I went ahead and wrote on this. And this is like a plastic drawer here. and I love how it looks. So this is just one another options are another idea of what you can use these markers on. And so now that I let the ink dry, I wanted to show you that I was able to write on this, but I also wanted to see how well it comes off with this plastic. So again, you can either use it for washi, you can use it for your pens, even for your Chalkola markers. If you want to put it in one of these drawers and just lay them down horizontal, that's one of the reasons why I got this drawer, was because of the markers that I have. And you can just label it what is inside of those bins or inside of those slots. All right. So next, let's go ahead and test this out. Oh, wow, look at that. See, I love this. I love this already. So, of course, my little cloth is getting a little bit dry, but I still love that. I'm going to take another one and wipe that off as well. But I still love the results of just wiping it that one time, and it comes right on off. All right. So last but not least, I wanted to try on chalkboard. So the next item that Chalkola sent to me, and I cannot wait to share this with you. And so one of the items that they sent to me was this massive, well, it's not massive. It's a medium-sized chalkboard, and it says it's perfect for the chalk markers and it's easy cleaning. So let's go ahead and see what's in the inside. So this is how it looks in the inside. Let's remove the packaging. All right. Oh, and then we get an extra marker. Okay, so if you were to just purchase the chalkboard itself, then you don't have to order the actual markers because you have, it comes with, this chalkboard comes with a white marker to just kind of test out. So if you want to play around with more colors and use more of the fun colors, then you can also just go ahead and order your different color boxes of this. But just know that when you order a chalkboard that you will also get this white chalk marker as well with this. So I'm really excited about it. So let's go ahead and see if I can just kind of towel. Oh, maybe not. Let's kind of wipe that down, get some of that off. So again, this is a chalkboard, and then on the back it does come with a stand that has a chain to kind of help it stand up, which you can use this for meal planning. You can have this in your kitchen, maybe write down the menu for the week so that way your family knows what to expect each day. Or maybe use this as a fun little sign for any event that you're hosting. I love to event plan, and so I think I'm going to use this for my upcoming events that I have coming up. So I'm really excited about doing that. And so we're going to go ahead and play around with these markers. Now I'm not going to use this one because I already have a white already available. So I'm going to just save this off to the side. Oh, but one thing that I did notice with this chalkboard, so once you have it standing up, it has like a little stand so that way you can put your markers here and play around with. I think this would be a really neat, cool, fun activity for your kids, or maybe again for like girls' night, bridal party, baby shower. You can have some of the guests sign their names with different color markers, something like that, or maybe doing some little drawings on there as well, or just like a cute little sign saying welcome to Peyton's tea party or something like that. So I think that's really fun and cool, and I love that it has like this little little stand there to place the markers and keep it right there. So yeah, so that's how it looks when it stands up, and then this is how it looks on the back once that is kind of kicked off. So let's go ahead and play around with this. I think I'm going to use this right now just to have in my craft area when I do videos. And I think I'm going to try to write as neat as I can and make it look really pretty, because I think I want to have this as a background in some of my upcoming videos, or maybe in some of my photos on Instagram. So let's go ahead and play around with some of those. So I am done with my chalkboard sign and I love it. This is going to be great when I host planning events, and I did want to show off a little bit my doodling skills because your girl has been practicing, and I went ahead and drew a piping hot cup of tea because I love tea, so why not? And oh, I forgot, hold on. This chalkboard is also magnetic. How cute is that? So again, you can use this in your kitchen as a menu planner. You can use this for fun kids activities, parties and special events, special occasions. You name it, you can use it and be creative with it. I absolutely love this, okay? So if you want to go ahead and grab you a few of these items, here's the coupon code that I would love to share with you. It is Chalkola10. That gives you 10% off of your purchase item, and I hope that you enjoy it as much as I do. And so if you enjoyed this product review video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And also, I will place the link to the Chalkola company down in the bottom of my description box so that you can place your order along with the coupon code as well. So if you are new here to my tea party and this is your very first time, or maybe you're coming over from Chalkola, please don't forget to click that subscribe button if you enjoyed my videos. And please feel free to check out a few of my videos here at my tea party. I would love to have you a part of my tea party squad. And again, don't forget to click that subscribe button and that notification bell. I'll see you at my next tea party. Mwah.